You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. If only I wasn't so lonely. I wouldn't be lonely at all today. The world is my shepherd. It leads me astray. It keeps me unholy in almost every way. But that's okay. God is my shepherd too. He shows me what to do. Today is the day the Lord hath made. I shall rejoice and be glad in it. Also with you, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You keep me happy when skies are gray. When skies are blue, I'm so blessed to have you in my life, in my life, in my life, in my life. I say thank you. Thank you. You are blessed too. I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. Yes, the Lord is my shepherd. Yes, the Lord is my shepherd. Yes, the Lord is my shepherd. He's your shepherd too. God bless.